score really matters.
So really like cheering on your teammates and trying to make sure that they're going to be more successful, or like helping them with their game actually helps the whole team with their game.
Yeah, like I would usually partner up with one of my teammates, like in a group, and then we would play against like the other team's 2 players, and I would like give like my insight on each hole and how to play it, and we would just kind of do that back and forth, and I think that just kind of gave us like extra clarity and confidence in like, you know, doing well on that hole.
Taking all the jellies.
Yeah, I'm gonna like try to. Oh yeah, I have. Yeah, I don't have time right now just because I'm catching up with like all my classes. But
You start over the summer, right?
they have like practices right now, but I think tryouts are probably in the summer before the
Oh yeah, just keep practicing. Do you have a place where you can go and
I haven't found the course yet.
I think like a local one that a lot of people do is our local rec center, Oakmar, has like links behind it, so you might want to check into that one.
Like a few blocks from Chantilly. I think it's like country club.
Yes, yeah. So for now, I would say probably you might want to look for one that's more of like a public rec center. So yeah, Oakmar, I would look that up and see if you can. That's probably going to be my biggest problem. Thank you for
Brings you on this far day to the EAC.
Dory and I need to get to Sydney. Dory, is she alright?
A little flu.
So we're going to do this.
Dory!
There's no chance.
Oh, that's something called the way I take a picture.
Hey, the reason I wanted
29:30.
How do you handle stress You're just rolling by me.
Oh my goodness!
Actually, yes. How?
That was so cool! Hey Dad, did you see that? Did you see that?
So totally rock, Squirt! Give me some fin. Dogging. Intro. Jellyman, offspring, Jellyman.
Apparently, I must have done something right.
Curl away, my son. Oh, it's awesome, Jellyman.
Carry on, my wayward son. Oh, it's awesome.
Dudes are just eggs with a beach to hatch, and then cuckoo cuckoo, they find their way back to the big old
All by themselves.
jaw.
But dude, how do you know when they're ready?
Well, you never really know, but when they know, you'll know, you know?
Hey, look everybody! I know that dude! It's the Jelly Man! Well, go on, jump on him! You
Need to breathe.
running away? Really cross the jellyfish force? Did it sting you?
One at a time.
Mr. Fish, did you die? Sorry, I was a little vague on the details. So where are you going?
Well, you see, my son was taken. My son was taken away from me.
No way.
No, kids, I don't want to talk about it.
Oh,
Your dog shit anyways.
Well, okay.
I know, her took me to
I live on this reef, a long, long way from here.
Oh boy, this is gonna be good, I can tell.
And my son, Nemo, was in heaps mad at me. And maybe he wouldn't have done it if I hadn't been so tough on him. I don't know. Anyway, he swam out in the open water to this boat. When he was out there, these divers appeared, and I tried to stop them, but the boat was too fast. So we swam out in the ocean.
Couldn't stop him. And then Nemo's dad out to the ocean, and they bumped into 3 frozen sharks.
And he scared away the sharks by blowing them up.
God, that's amazing.
Now just be straight down into the dock. It's like wicked dark down there. You can't see a thing. Let's go, Bob. And the only thing I can see down there is
This big horrible creature with razor sharp teeth. Nice barrier, man. And then he has to blast his way out.
Searching the ocean for days on the East Australian current.
He may be on his way here right now. I should put him in Sydney
Harbour in a matter of days. I mean, it sounds like this guy's gonna stop at nothing till he finds his son. Sure hope he makes it. It's one dedicated father, if you ask me.